Hey y'all, I'm about to try the chamoy pickle kit. I can't believe it. I thought I would never do something like this, but here I am doing something like this. So, got it from TikTok shop, obviously, because duh, TikTok is where it's at, y'all. So, let's get into it. Why am I so scared? All right, I'm gonna give you guys a nice little close up. Oh my gosh, not me with the pickle kit. Pickle kit. All right, let me show you guys a close up. Okay. All right, so this is the TikTok shop chamoy pickle kit. Okay, I'm supposed to put all this up in here, and it's supposed to be an amazing pickle. Okay, so we're gonna try the chamoy pickle kit. I'm super nervous because I don't do things like this, but maybe I should start. All right, let's get this out of the way. As a matter of fact, let me keep that for the trash. All right, I gotta stand up for this. All right, let me just show you guys a couple of the things in here. Look at this pickle. What the heck? Okay, so this is the pickle. All right, the pickle is here. It has this little blue plasticky thing with a stick. It's like melted. Then we have the sauce, this red sauce. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so nervous. My stomach is going to hurt. All right, gushers, the candies. This is where I got it from, the Candies brand. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for sending me this. We've got some Takis, which I actually do not like Takis, but whatever. I wish I got the hot Cheeto kind. All right, then we got some sour straws, some Swingle spaghetti. We've got the chamoy flavor, the tahini. Oh, my stomach is already boiling. Hi. All right, hold on. Let me take a picture for my IG. But I think you just fill it up. I don't know the order I'm supposed to fill it up in, so let me just make sure I'm doing it right because, hello, I want to do it right. Okay, you're supposed to drain it. I'm so scared. Can't even pretend like I'm not. I'm scared. All right, so I need a little cup. So first, I'm supposed to open the pickle. All right, I open the pickle. Oh, I'm supposed to, I need something to gut it out. All right, got my spoon. All right, I think I have everything now. All right, so first things first, we open this and we drain it. So you don't need the juice, which I'm glad. Ooh. Oh my gosh, how is this even good? Oh, look at all that. I hope it don't stain my nails. All right, so we pour all that out. Look at all that juice. Ugh. All right, let's move her out of the way. That's a lot of juice. I love pickles, but this one right here is a whole lot of going on. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at that pickle. Okay, so this is what the pickle looks like outside of the juice. Supposed to bite the top and then gut it. Ooh, okay, I don't like that taste. I'm not eating that. Ooh, how am I gonna do this? That does not taste good. All right, so now we're gonna gut it out. Take all that out so I can stuff it. Just getting on the center. Ugh. How are y'all eating this? Oh my god, my stomach already hurt. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. All right, I'm trying to get as much of it out. I'm not gonna eat that far down anyway, so it don't matter. All right, so I gutted it. Next, we're supposed to put the spaghetti candy. Supposed to put the spaghetti candy in there. I don't have the fruit roll up. I'm mad. Because I like me fruit roll ups. I don't have it. All right, so here's the spaghetti candy. It's definitely not like sweet stuff. It looks like it has tahini on it. But we're gonna go ahead and stuff it like we're supposed to. Ew, I should not have did that. All right, I have gushers. Woo. I love me some gushers though. I'm gonna put some extra of those. Maybe that's gonna make it taste better. All right, so I got my gushers in here. little appetizer. We have a lemon flavor, the Takis. Yeah, I do not like Takis, but I'm gonna stick it in here to do it right. Okay. Is that enough? I think that's enough, because how am I gonna chew this? Yeah. All right, so this is the chamoy powder. Chamoy powder. Next, we got the sauce. This is my gosh. Okay. All right. This is a lot, you guys. I'm stressed. This is the child. I can't get it. I can't get it together. Oh wait. Put my sour straws, because I'm gonna need something a little sweet and sour. All right. Okay, I got my sour straws in there. I'm gonna put the other one too. No, I'm gonna save that for later. All right, put another tahini in there. Not tahini, taki. All right, here's the sauce. Okay, is that enough? All right, I think that's enough. I want to take a selfie. Wait a minute, one of them things tastes good. All right, let's get into it. We about to eat this chamoy pickle. The purple. That's what I want to try next, the purple. That powder is something serious. All right, so here we go. We about to try the chamoy pickle. You guys, I'm super nervous because I do not do stuff like this, but here we go. They sent it to me, so we're gonna try it. Oh, that's, girl, that is cheating. Even I know that. You are cheating. My mouth's not big enough for this. All right, here we go. We got the Takis, everything in. All right, let's go. It's so sour, but it's not terrible. It needs some sweetness. Where's the sweet stuff at? I think I'm missing the fruit roll-up. They didn't give me the fruit roll-up. They gave me this blue thing, but what am I supposed to do with this? Let me put it on there. Put this blue thing on here. I guess it's supposed to be the ghetto version of the fruit roll-up. Alright, let me squeeze it on there because I need some sweetness. Because this ain't doing it. It ain't terrible, but I ain't eating this again. This thing won't even stay on. The blue thing. Where is my fruit roll-up? Yeah, the blue thing not staying on. I could take one more bite, but it's okay. I need some more sweetness though. That's all I gotta say. Like the Gushers is the only thing sweet in here, but everything falling out. Not for me. I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off.
So y'all, here's my conclusion. It's not for me. It could be for some people. If you like tahini, as you guys can see, I didn't even open the tahini. There was just too much going on. I have a tahini flavor. I got this little liquid sauce. I got the chamoy sauce. I got lemon powder. It's just a lot of different flavors in one, which I know is the whole point, but for a girl like me, it's a no. They didn't have enough sweet things in my kit. I wish I had like the, I don't know why I like tahini. I wish they had the fruit roll-up. That would probably help a lot, because everything in here was like lemon, spice, and powder. I want a little bit of sweet. Only thing sweet I had was the Gushers, but I understand why people like it, but for me, you know what I want to try next? Well, bye. I only want the gushers. I should have put some on the side. The pickle itself is not even good. I'm throwing this whole thing away. Everything can go. Waste my time. Do I have any more gushers? Then I'll put a bubbaloo, gum. Y'all, I'm disappointed. I thought it was gonna taste so much better. It did not. The pickle itself. Ooh. These is disgusting. That's what make it so bad. I should never put them spaghettis in there. The spaghetti's the sourest thing on here. Where is the sweet stuff? No. People that say they like this was wrong. Y'all, I'm just eating the Takis, which I don't like. I need to get that pickle out of my mouth. That pickle taste. And I'm eating the gushers. Everything else going in the garbage. Right now. I give this a 3 out of 10. Look at all this pickle juice. What in the hell?